Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Suazo. If you're new here, welcome. In today's video, I'm doing a highly requested video, which is a bun tutorial. On a lot of my videos and my Instagram pictures, I wear buns all the time. Literally, this is like my go-to look. I do buns when I don't feel like curling my hair, I don't feel like washing my hair's dirt. So yeah, this is my signature bun that I do all the time and that a lot of you have requested a tutorial on. So I finally did it. It's very easy and I hope you guys are able to achieve it as well. The things that you need, you probably have in your cabinets, and it's something that you can do super quick. So yeah, before we get into this tutorial, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're not subscribed already so you can stay tuned with all the other videos that I post on this channel. And yeah, without further ado, let's get into how I get this top knot bun, simple, everyday hair look. All right, let's get started. My hair is so gross. All right guys, so we're gonna go ahead and get started with how I do my buns. It's super easy. This video is going to be super fast. So here are the things that you're gonna need to achieve the bun. Obviously a hair tie, some dry shampoo, and this is from IGK. It's a dry shampoo that I love to use. Also some texturizing spray. This is from Way. Some hairspray. This is from L'Oreal, their Lock It Bold Control Hairspray. A brush, and then a little comb like this, like a side comb. So let's begin. The first thing that we're gonna do is obviously comb your hair out so that there's no knots in it. And my hair is very dirty. Usually these buns work best when your hair is super duper dirty. Not super duper dirty, but when your roots are a bit oily, because that way your hair is easier to style because it has natural oils in it. So I'm just combing out my mess. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and start combing our hair back like if we're gonna style the bun. What we're gonna do is we're going to be using the dry shampoo. This is from IGK and it's their charcoal dry shampoo. It's called the Charcoal Detox Dry Shampoo, a deep cleanse level, detoxifying, oil erasing, scalp soothing, and honestly it does all this stuff. This is probably one of my favorite dry shampoos that I've ever used. So first you want to shake the dry shampoo well, and then you're going to apply it on your roots like in a sweeping motion, just like this. And again, I comb my hair back and I'm only applying it in the areas that are going to show when I put the bun up. Really get the roots, because that's where. And then I just like to really just massage it into the scalp. As you guys know, dry shampoo makes your hair white if you don't shake it out well. And then because also the bottom down here of my hair is showing, I'm gonna do the same thing down there. Apply it down here. This is just to avoid your bun from looking super oily. Okay, so I zoomed you guys out a little bit so it's easier for you to see. And this is my mirror right here, so please excuse it. So after we put the dry shampoo in the roots and on the back end of the hair, we're gonna go ahead and take this texturizing spray, and this is from Way. And I just like applying it to, I got some on my face. I just like applying it to the ends just to make my hair a little bit more thick and textured, because it's easier to work with when your hair is like that. When your hair is just like kind of dull, it's harder to style. So I just apply it on the ends and then just really like, you know, put it all in there. Again, I'm gonna take this comb and I'm gonna start combing the hair back like so. And then I'm gonna grab my hair like if I'm, you know, gonna start making a ponytail, but you're gonna bring the ponytail all the way up to the top. It's okay if your hair is like super bumpy here because we're gonna comb it out, but for now you're just gonna bring it all the way to the top, roughly to where you want the bun. This is usually as high as I go. And now we're gonna be taking this comb, which is a much more detailed comb, and then you're gonna begin to just comb out, and you want to go all around so you don't have any bumps and it's nice and sleek. It's okay if you have flyaways right now because we're gonna put them away with some hairspray after. Okay, so this is basically the next step. After you have your hair all combed out on the roots and you have your cola or the ponytail that you're going to be using as your bun, using your hand, you want to grip this part of your head super tight, and then you're going to grab the rest of the hair and you're gonna just twist it and begin to wrap it around just like this. And I kind of like to just make sure that it's nice and smooth there as well. See how like you can get some things there. You just wrap it around. And once it's all like in a bun, then you're just gonna tie it up. And that's basically like the simple bun. This looks a little too like perfect for me. I usually like to make it like a messy bun. So I kind of just pick it apart a little bit to make it a little bit more loose. Now what we're gonna do for flyaways is we're gonna go ahead and spray this little brush with some hairspray, just like that. And then we're gonna begin combing. This is the main area where I get like flyaways, right in the back of my head. So I like to comb it there and also on the front of my head. But again, I also like to just spray the entire bun to make sure that it's held nicely. So we're gonna spray it all around. Just like that. And then I like to just like put the flyaways in place with the hairspray. Just like that. And then the final step that I usually like to do is I like to pull some hair from the sides. Just like this. Like something small, it doesn't have to be a lot. But it's just so it looks a little bit less like put together and it looks more of like a little messy bun. I would suggest to use some gel if you have gel to really like smooth back the hair, or if you have some mousse, because the hairspray only works to really lock it in, but it doesn't work that well with flyaways. But I usually like to keep my flyaways because it looks a little bit more natural and it doesn't look too like put together. This isn't really a sleek bun, this is just a top knot, something that I do really quick. So yeah, that's basically how I do my bun. All right, everyone, so that's basically it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this bun tutorial. Let me know down below if you have any other video suggestions, and I'd be happy to film it. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Subscribe if you're not subscribed already to this channel so you can stay tuned with all the other videos that I post. And yeah, that's basically it. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.